my CPT03 final activity presentation by yours truly, Ariel FODE. So, let's get started. So, our first topic for today is how to install a software program from an ISO file. So, let's get started. Step 1. Download a ISO software. The ISO software that I chose was the Power ISO. To download this software, first, open your File Explorer and search for the setup of Power ISO 60. When you find it, click on Power ISO 6.0 for the files to be created. So, the picture on the top show how does it look like. And our next slide is second, a Power ISO 6.0 setup window will appear. Here, you need to click I agree button, which ensures that you have reviewed the license agreement. The picture shows it below. Next slide. Third, you will choose install location. In this part, window will appear, which shows the destination folder where the software will get installed. If you want to change the destination folder, just click on Browse button and browse for the folder of your choice. Else, or click on Install to continue the installation. The software will start installing and will take few minutes. The picture below shows how it will done. Next slide. The fourth procedures. Once your installation is complete, you have to click on the next button. The picture below show how it's done. Next. Then next, you can click on select all if you want to include all file extension, or you can manually select the file extension. Once the file association is done, click on the close button at the bottom of the screen. The picture shown below. And next, and the last, if the installation was complete, you can see a congratulations message on your screen, so you can now will able to use Power ISO on your system, just like the picture below. And then step 2, open the ISO software. Just click on its icon. Step 3, locate the content of Windows 7 disk. Step 4, select all the files and click the copy and paste it on ISO software. Step 5, and after that, click on the file button. Next slide. Step 6, then click Save As. Step 7, and you can see a window pop up in the screen. You may change the file name to better find it easily. And step 8, after you change the file name, you will also change it save as type to standard ISO image. Step 9, then click save button and wait few minutes till it's done. Step 10, now you will see the files that you want to save. So that's how you will install a software program from an ISO file. So our next topic is how to create a bootable USB with Windows 7. So let's start. So what all we need are USB, ISO file, Rufus utility, and obviously computer. So step 1, we need to download the Rufus utility. So these are the procedure to download Rufus. Step 1, search the Rufus utility in the internet. Click the download button. Make sure that you download the latest version. After download, run the Rufus utility. then next step, then right click and select as administrator, then proceed. Next slide. Step 2. Plug in this USB drive on your computer, but make sure to disconnect all other USB mass storage devices. So, step 3, run Rufus application and configure it. The picture below shows how was it done. And PS, warning, everything on the destination disk will be overrated. Next slide. Step 4. Choose the Windows 7 installation media image. The picture shows where you will find the ISO image. Then, step 5. Press the start button to proceed. Step 6. Wait until completion. It took 6 minutes and above. Step 7. Disconnect the USB drive. And that's how you will create bootable USB with Windows 7. So our next topic is how to install Windows 7 with the use of USB. So let's get it on. Step 1. Boot the Windows 7 USB drive. So to begin, restart your computer with the properly configured Windows 7 USB flash drive plugged in. So, watch for a message that pop up on the screen like press any key to boot from CD/DVD. When we are using USB drive, the message will be phrased differently like press any key to boot from external device. So note, if you do not press a key, your computer will attempt to boot to the next device in the boot order, which is probably your hard drive. If this happens, chances are your current operating system will be booted. Next slide. Step 2. Wait for Windows 7 installation files to load. The picture shows it. Step 3. Choose language and other preference. The picture shows it again. Step 4. Click the install now button and you will see this picture. Step 5. Click the small box in the lower left part that shows you accept the Windows 7 license terms. And that picture will pop up. Step 6. Choose the type of Windows 7's installation to complete. Click on the Custom Advanced button. And then you will see this. Step 7. Show the Windows 7 Advanced Drive options. After you click the Custom Advanced button, the Advanced Drive option will pop up. Next, Step 8. Delete the partition Windows is installed on. And Step 9. Delete other operating system related to partitions. Step 10. Choose a physical location to install Windows 7 on. And Step 11. Step 11. Wait while Windows 7 is installed. The machine will restart several times. Next slide. Step 12. Wait for Windows 7 setup to complete. Step 13. Enter the Windows 7 product key. So you can find your Windows product key on a label included with the package that came with your copy of Windows. The label might also be on your computer case. Next slide. And lastly, step 14, your Windows 7 will be clean installed. It's complete. So that's how you will install Windows 7 with the use of USB. So our last topic is how to install device drivers. So, step 1, you need to go to Device Manager. And step 2, find the device that need to install a driver. Step 3, right-click on the device and select Update Driver Software. Step 4, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Step 5, let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Next, click Have This button. And then step 7 rather, click Browse button, navigate to the folder where you save the downloaded driver file and browse the .inf driver file. And lastly, step 8, click OK button, then Next button to finish the installation. You might be asked for an admin password or to confirm your choice. So that's all, and thank you.